Hello, technology education students. Today we are going to be learning about how to construct a bridge using the software Bridge Designer. So, this is going to be the assignment. You're going to produce three different types of bridges, and then you are going to actually insert those bridge designs into Schoology right here. Okay. This is going to require you to go to a software called VM Horizon. So I have it in the Unit 3 folder right in here, VM Horizon. We've used this before in our class. We use this at the beginning of the semester to just honestly see if um, you have access to VM Horizon. And this will need you to log in using your school username, the beginning part of your email, and then your school password. Your school password to log into your computer. It's the same thing. And so it's going to ask you to hit OK, hit OK. It's going to take a minute to log in. So this is logging into a server that has 100 server-based computers over at the central offices. And these server-based computers are basically housing all the softwares that you would have to download on your computer to utilize. And they take a lot of time to download, so that's why we put it on this special software. So if you look over here, there's this little tab right here. I could quit full screen, or I could go and I can go back into full screen. It takes over my whole computer. And that's the biggest understanding here is that I'm actually on a different computer. Okay. And we're going to have to use this little tab here to log out at the end of it. And that's really important for other classes that are going to use this after you. So you're going to come down here to the search bar menu, and you're going to type in Bridge Designer. It's going to open up the software. It's a little bit of an older software, but it's still very good. I don't go through the tips of the day because it literally will give you hundreds of tips. So hit close on that. Create a new bridge design, hit OK. Go to next. Now, this is a funny thing here. For some odd reason, it won't show you the bottom half of this menu unless you hit enter. See that? It literally skipped it down a half step, and then you're going to hit this little caret right here, and it shows you the rest of it. Up here, after you hit enter, you're going to hit deck elevation and change it to 20 meters. Hit next, and we're going to go with all of the defaults. Hit finish, and you should have a bridge deck and two abutments. Okay? So when you do this, I want you to be submitting a snipping of your file onto Schoology. So while we're waiting for this, or while we're working on this, we'll wait for our Schoology to load up. So I went to Google Chrome. I went to the student portal and Schoology right there. And then, like always, our school email for Microsoft 365. and then our password, and get that logged in. And I'm going to say yes, stay logged in. And I'll go to the assignment over here and just have this open as you're working. So as you finish each one up, you can save it directly in there. So let's go back to Bridge Designer. You should have researched types of trusses, types of bridge trusses. We'll go with that. There are tons of different types of bridge trusses. Okay. I'm going to probably follow the Pratt or House style bridge truss. The difference is that the direction of the triangles in here. But I want for every single one of these, you're going to make 3. I want 3 totally different trusses because you should have started researching different truss designs and developing ideas of what you want it to look like. So I want you to experiment with those 3 different types of truss designs. So I'm going to put a bridge of, I'm going to put these joints every 2 dots away from each other. And the cool thing is that these dots can stay aligned because of that the crosshair alignment tool. So now what I'm going to do is I'm holding and clicking at the same time, and I could draw a line from point to point. And if I'm doing a full section like that, I can draw it all at once. Okay? I'm going to do the same thing with the deck down here. I clicked on that first dot. I'm clicking on that second dot. Those are all connected now. So now I'm going to just start drawing my verticals. And I'm just going to do this triangle pattern all the way down. Okay? And then in between the triangles, I'm going to put verticals right here. And it's fairly straightforward. After I've made that, I have to test that. So I'm in the drawing mode right here. Show the drawing board view. I'm going to go run the load test animation. And we're going to see that it's going to fail instantly. See that? So there's this truck that will come across, but this couldn't even hold its own weight. So what's cool here, if I go back to my drawing board view, I was right here, drawing board view, I'm going to select all these. Can I do control select? Yes, I can. I'm hitting control on my computer and control select. Every single one of these that has these red dashed lines, I'm going to increase in size. But I also want you to pay attention to my total cost here. It's going to increase in cost. So that is the goal here. I want you to make the strongest bridge, yet I want you to make it as efficient as you can too. So I'm going to overcompensate right now and make it as strong as I can. We'll see if this works. And then as you work through this, I want you to start picking away at how could I make this truss a little smaller or this truss a little smaller, but increase this one truss here. So hopefully it could overall compensate for making it stronger. So now I'm going to run that. Okay, we won. Look at that. It didn't break. It didn't even break when it holding its own weight. It didn't even break with the truck. So that's a winner. So this design right here, what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you go down to snipping tool. Okay. This is going to run. Try getting it with the truck on there. Oh. I'm going to let it run again. There it is. Make sure you get the price in there. See the price up top? I like having the truck on there and then the price up there. Okay. So this is going to introduce a new skill in our world of VM Horizon. You're going to have to go File, Save As, and then you're going to scroll down here to, you see this PC, the little caret right here? We're going to click that caret and there'll be a VDI Horizon drive. Click VDI Horizon. Now, I've already done some demonstrations with my tech classes, so I'm going to call this Tech 7. Today's going to be odd day. Odd. Okay? In that folder, you're going to make a bridge unit folder, and I'm going to call this bridge 1. Okay? So you're saving everything in that VDI Horizon drive. I can't emphasize that enough. I'm going to go File, Save As. I'll save that a second time just so you can see that. So usually what happens here is you're sitting right about here, quick access. You're going to have to hit this PC right here and then scroll down, VDI Horizon right there. Okay, I called this Tech 7 odd, and then there's my folder. Okay, this software or this emulator software does not save your work if you get logged out. Okay, it will delete everything. It has to be in this Horizon folder every single time. So that's our photo, but we also need to save our bridge designer file. So I'm going to go Save As, same idea, drop down menu, scroll down till you find VDI Horizon, Tech 7 odd bridge units, and I'm going to call this bridge 1. Okay, so you're pretty much there. I just need you to go to Schoology and submit your files in here. Now, I'm not a student, so I can't submit a file as demonstration, but I guess I can go over here and go find my file through adding just another file on my assignment. VDI Horizon, right there. Tech 7 odd. And then I want you to submit both of these. Okie dokie. You put those in there. Okay. So now, close out of everything. Once you're done for the day, close now. Then you're going to come down here. You're going to hit the power button, or not power button, your name, sign out. It's going to sign out for you. Close. And then you're going to come over here. It's going to say disconnected. Log out. Hit OK. And you're good as gold. Look at that. You're done with making your first bridges. And now you're going to make 2 more, submit it on to Schoology. Remember, the goal is to make them as strong as possible, as cheap as possible, and totally different from each other. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.